The answer is God. God is the answer. And there's a lot of things that happen in our life that nobody but Him has the answer for. Only God can transform a life. Only God can forgive sin. Only God can save a lost soul. Only God can heal a body. Only God can cleanse the heart. Only God can grant new life. Only God can fill an empty life with a brand new spirit. Only God can wash away my sins. Only God can take away the sadness and replace it with joy. Only God can change a life. Only God can move mountains. Only God can give you perfect peace. Only God can make a way where there seems to be no way. Only God can restore what is broken. Only God can take a life like yours and mine and make something amazing out of it. Only God can bring you peace. Only God can calm the storm. That ain't the tip of the iceberg of the things that only God can do.